So, my name is Siddharth Tyagi, and I am a student in the Department of Electrical Engineering. I got placed in the Eton in their engineer profile. So, the main highlights about my CV have been my technical internships and projects, and that is what got me CV shortlisted along with a good CGPA. I think that is what matters most for getting shortlisted for this company. Once that was done, I was invited for a technical round. The technical round was basically about my CV. They had not read my CV earlier. I think they were reading it on the spot. And as and when my CD was being read, what happened is that my interviewer was highlighting the main projects and internships what I did, and what all softwares and hardwares I used during them. She asked me certain skill sets like what all technical hardwares I have used and what sort of projects I have worked on, and she asked me about some of the HR interviews related to technical aspects, such as what were the difficulties I faced in my projects and what have been the biggest learnings of my project, and did I build upon someone else's idea during my project, or those kind of basic things, or have I done something which was not interesting, something that was boring for me to do and yet I completed successfully. She asked me if there had been a project that I did not successfully complete or was not able to be completed for unknown reasons. So those kind of questions, I think she was testing how what was sort of a learning experience I had in my project out there. So that was about this technical round, and I think the biggest thing about this is that a lot of hardware experience would be a must, especially for the electrical profile. I'm not sure about the mechanical one, but for the electrical profile, a lot of hardware experience working on microcontrollers, FPGAs, and other hardware and loop systems would be very beneficial. Uh, the interview explained the HR in round was very standard, nothing unexpected, nothing like great about that. And to prepare the CV, I think highlighting your projects very well is the only most important thing there. They're not really looking for a lot of extra academics, just basics which might help you in the HR round. But the main focus here is the your technical aspects. That's it about this. Thank you.